BMW M1000RR edition 50 years M. Servus and welcome to MotorTop. Yeah, how to use the pit limiter. Yeah, the pit limiter is not a limiter of the speed, it's just a limiter of the revs in first gear. And yeah, and it depends on the pit lane, how fast you are allowed to ride. And it also depends on the tire, it depends on the gear ratio you have. So you have to adjust it. So first we go to the settings. You have to activate the racetrack mode. Okay. Then you go to configuration. Here you can activate the pit lane limiter. And you configure you set the maximum RPMs. So it depends on how fast you are allowed to ride. Okay. And while you're riding, you just press the ignition button and hold it, and then the revs are limited. So I'll show you how it works. I press the ignition button. So pit lane limiter is active. And now I can give throttle. And it limits my revs. And the sound is so nice. And if I release the button, you have to take care, because then it pulls forward. So have fun and ride safe.